Hi everyone, welcome to Aja's Coffee with CXO. Today we have one more employee of Aja, Mr. Rajendra Udiga. So hi Rajendra.
Hi sir.
So welcome to Coffee with CXO.
Thanks sir. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Great, thank you, man. So Rajendra, can you please introduce to the audience who you are, when did you join, what's your qualification, where are you from?
So my name is Rajendra Udiga, Junior DevOps Consultant working in Aja Consulting Services LLP. I'm basically from Tanuku, West Godavari, Andhra Pradesh. So this
What's
is
your qualification? Qualification?
my qualification. I'm a MBA graduate, specialization in HR.
Oh, so you are a MBA HR. Very surprising. So MBA HR చదివిన వ్యక్తికి సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఇంజనీర్ కావాలని ఎందుకు అనిపించిందమ్మా రాజచంద్ర?
I was actually into business first.
ఏం బిజినెస్?
We have cement dealership business.
Super.
So I used to take care of that with my family. And due to some reasons in Corona, we sold that business. And I was thinking what to do. And my friends and I taken suggestions from everyone. And everyone actually some of my friends are in software industry.
Okay.
And they are very well established and they are earning a lot.
Super.
And they are happy with their families. So I thought that okay, why shouldn't I approach in that way?
Okay.
So
IT ఇండస్ట్రీలోకి వస్తే బాగుంటుందని అప్పుడు అనిపించింది.
yes.
ఓకే, గుడ్, వండర్ఫుల్. సో ఐటీలోకి రావాలని మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అందరితో డిస్కస్ చేసి ఒక అవగాహన తెచ్చుకున్న తర్వాత ఐటీ. మరి డెవాప్స్ ఎందుకు చూస్ చేసుకున్నావు రాజచంద్ర?
DevOps because I don't know anything about coding.
Okay.
And one of my best friend, he is working in one software company where he is working as a blockchain developer. And I asked him, so you know my condition, what I am now, and he told me DevOps is trending in nowadays. And I also did some own research. And I came to the conclusion, okay, let's go for DevOps.
Before joining Aja, have you taken any coaching on DevOps outside of Aja?
No, I don't have any knowledge about DevOps.
అంటే కంప్లీట్ జీరో నాలెడ్జ్తో అజాలో జాయిన్ అయ్యావా?
Actually, I need to thank my father because my father gone through some TV video about Aja and he asked me once go through that.
Okay.
And I seen the video and I was like, okay, I'm getting the opportunity. I don't want to miss. So my father told me, okay, let's go. Next day itself, we called to office inquiry number.
Right.
They told that, okay, you can come and do the inquiry. So immediately my parents and I came and cleared all our doubts about what we have, about how it is. Actually, I need to thank about this introducing this coding tutor platform because it is giving life to so many students like me.
So Rajachandra, my other question is, see, generally people with gap, so you have completed your post-graduation few years back and you did business and now you wanted to come into IT industry. సో దీస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్ జనరలీ ఇన్ ద మార్కెట్ వాట్ దే డూ అంటే వాళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తారు జనరల్గా అంటే నాకు ఆల్రెడీ గ్యాప్ ఉంది, నాకేదో లేట్ అయిపోయింది కాబట్టి నేను ఎక్కడైనా బయట ఒక కోర్స్ నేర్చుకొని ఒక 4-5 సంవత్సరాలు ఫేక్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ పెట్టుకొని నేను జాబ్ కొడతాను, డైరెక్ట్ 15 లక్షలకి 20 లక్షలకి వెళ్తాను అని అనుకునే వాళ్ళ మధ్యలో నీలాంటి శ్రీరామచంద్రుడు ఎలా ఉన్నాడు? అంటే ఎలా నువ్వు ఒక ఫ్రెషర్గా తక్కువ జీతంకైనా అజాలో జాయిన్ అయ్యి ఒక్కొక్క మెట్టు ఎదగాలని ఎందుకు ఇలా అనిపించింది? వాట్ ఈస్ దట్? How you are different? ఎలా డిఫరెంట్గా ఎలా ఆలోచించావు?
Actually, most of the people are not aware of these kind of platforms. So that is one of the reason. Even I also have the same thoughts like what you said about doing all, paying money and getting into the company. But my father and I had a discussion. We can't survive like that. And meanwhile,
and survive అంటే based on the skills.
Yes.
So if we put a fake experience, it would be very difficult to survive without skills.
Yes.
Okay.
So in that way, we are looking for an opportunity.
Okay.
And I was really blessed for getting this opportunity. If I don't know about this, I don't know what I will be.
Right. So in your last 6-7 months of journey with Aja, and having gone through all the training or skilling yourself, whether it is technical or communication skills, how is your experience in Aja coding tutor?
It's really practical first of all, because most of the some of my friends who went to other institutes, they just have a theory knowledge, even that also not that much. And they pay so much of money and they come outside and say that it is waste of money doing like that.
Right.
But here we are getting everything more worth than what we paid.
Right.
So, and other thing is it is completely corporate experience.
Right.
So with
Corporate experience ante?
so from morning to evening, everything from status call and doing sprints and also participating in the events. All these are I feel like a good corporate experience for me.
Right. Wonderful. Very good. Amma. So you joined and you are saying that your experience is really great. How do you differentiate attending a course versus coding tutor?
In coding tutor, there are tutors who are teaching us. They really they have more in-depth knowledge and they are very well experienced persons.
They are currently working in some other companies.
Yes.
Okay.
And we have with daily we are getting tasks which are real time. So it is really motivating.
Super. So ensepu ikkada all these whatever you are saying about your experience, all these communication skills, technical skills, coding, DevOps, sprints, status call, only these kind of things will be there, or do you have any other activities like fun activities or any other activities?
We have a program called Azza Talent Hunt. It's really first when I came to know about this program, I have a little bit doubt whether it will be how it will be like that, because we don't know what are the programs they will introduce in that. But actually it made me move from my comfort zone. That is the main thing everyone needs.
Yes.
And I improved a lot in my communication.
Yeah.
If I'm speaking at least this much of English, it means that is because of Azure Talent Hunt program.
Super. And if I'm right, you also participated in Azure Radio also couple of times.
Yes.
Okay, great. And in Azure, apart from this fun activities and skills and all these things, so do you have any reward mechanism, or do you have any way people get motivated? If a person joins here, do you have any mechanism to motivate them, reward them, something like that?
Yes, all 6 days we had different programs, and each category is different. Like I got one award like best coding, and I also got award for best communication also.
Yes.
So these kind of things really motivate us, and we feel to.
So what they do? So when they give you best coder or best communication award, so what do they do? What do they do? So do they give any certificate, or do they give any money or any reward? What actually Azure does?
For us, we got tokens. We can use that in cafeteria.
So how much of tokens?
Each token value is 7 rupees. So like that, we got a total amount of 200 rupees token. Tokens.
So 200 rupees worth reward has been given for each award. Okay,
yes.
And you got 2 times award.
2 times.
And any certificate or anything? So your name is displayed somewhere, something like that.
Yes. We have Arjuna wall. In that every week they will present the people who got achieved.
Okay.
They will post that in wall.
So how do you really say, if you have to say in your own words about coding tutor or learning in coding tutor platform for a fresher or a person who is getting into IT industry, who wanted to getting into IT industry, how do you explain them? If I want you to explain something about coding tutor, ela cheptavu, how do you go about it?
Well, I will say only one thing: don't put any doubts or any questions. Just directly come here and do the inquiry. And actually everything is transparent here. So I will say only one thing: just believe in yourself and take the training. You'll definitely achieve what you want.
Okay. And what about time period? So generally, a lot of people, so if I'm right, you are in 9 months of internship,
Yes.
right? So some people ask for 3 months, some people ask for 2 months, whereas Ajay is saying that it takes at least 6 to 9 months or even 1 or 2 months here and there. So from a 6 months to 10, 12 months of time, it will take for a person to become a software engineer. This is what Ajay is saying.
Yes.
But some people are expecting, some young generation, young chaps who are coming, they are expecting that they want to become a DevOps engineer in 2 months or 3 months. So you being a person who already completed 6-7 months of journey in Agile, you have achieved and attained certain skills in DevOps as well as communication skills. So what is your call or what is your thought about gaining skills very fastly?
I will say only one thing. You won't achieve within 2 months like normally. Anything you need patience.
Okay.
Because slow and win. There is one saying
right.
that slow and ready.
Yeah, slow and steady wins the race.
Wins the race.
Right.
So I think that is the best thing,
right.
and don't be hurry.
Mm-hmm.
I will say that.
Right. And coming to these packages, right? So the generation, these new chaps are very much interested about lakhs and lakhs of package overnight. They wanted to get into 10 lakhs, 50 lakhs. Whereas Agile is promising only 3.6 lakhs ETC. And if it is another location, there you will get another 1.5 lakhs. So basically 3.6 to 4.5, 5.4 lakhs is what Agile is promising. So what is your thought about these packages?
Nowadays, getting a job is a big question.
Mm-hmm.
And other thing is, not every company will give this big packages. There are some mid-level companies, so depending upon the company, they will give the salaries.
Right.
And first of all, whoever come into the IT industry, they first need to gain the skills. That is the most important thing.
Skills.
Once we gain the skills, then definitely you can gain salary by year experience.
Right.
Once you achieve.
As you gain more experience, your money will come. CTC will be increased.
Yes.
But initially, you should be adjusted for a less salary.
Yes, less salary. But my thing is that focus on skills.
Focus on skills, not money.
Not money.
Don't run after money.
Yes.
Oh. And Rajendra, this is all we discussed about your experience in coding tutor. Now, I wanted to touch upon the recent application that you have developed, the idea that you have created, right? Can you please tell audience what is the idea that you got and how you implemented it, where you implemented it? So can you please talk about that social media platform that you created?
Yes. Before saying that, I want to say one thing. So, as I told you, there is one talent hunt program.
Mm-hmm.
So some of the times they'll give demos about different. We have different stacks, and each stack they're coming with a demo with applications.
Mm-hmm.
And I was like, okay, I need to do something like this.
Mm-hmm.
So I got the motivation from that, and I had a thought in my mind. And okay, let's do that. I started and I implemented internal social networking application for coding tutor batch.
Mm-hmm.
So this application is mainly useful for collaborating with other teams,
Okay.
other domains.
Okay. So within Aja, all the employees can, network with each other. They can share their thoughts like Facebook. So it's like, can I say that it's like a Facebook for Aja?
Yes.
So
You can say
a
that.
Facebook kind of application only for Aja employees.
But there is one unique thing.
Mm-hmm.
So we included games and also
Yeah.
skills.
Right.
But that games are not like normal games that will improve your technological skills.
So basically coding games.
Yes.
You have introduced in the social network platform of Aja, you have introduced a feature called coding games.
Yes.
Tech games.
Tech games.
And also one more other feature, if I'm right, you have included.
Skills.
Skills, okay. Communication skills and technical skills, if you wanted to improve, you can.
You can.
Okay.
And there is also another feature. Immediately once you log in into the web application,
Mm-hmm.
the landing homepage will be post feed.
Mhm.
So it is generally like normally how you see in Instagram or Facebook.
Mm-hmm.
You can type a post
Mm-hmm.
and so if like you can ask the
You
questions.
can ask questions, you can share information,
Yes.
you can ask people to participate. So it's a collaborative or networking tool where you can work with all the other people.
Other people.
Okay.
Yes.
And you can post your images, you can post your
videos.
Super. So it's completely your idea. There is nothing Aja has done in that. It's completely
Motivation is from Aja.
motivation might be from Aja, but it's your own creative thought,
Yes.
your own this thing. It's your innovation. So where did you develop this? Which platform you used to develop this?
I used a AI platform called Replit.com.
Replit.com. Okay.
So one thing I need to say, most of the people, even though don't know coding, if they have idea, then definitely using these AI tools might give them an opportunity to make it as a product.
So you have used a AI tool which is Replit to develop or to bring your idea into the reality. So you have used.
Yes.
And you worked all alone
Yes.
to develop that application.
Yes.
And what are the next steps? What Aja is doing, or what are you doing with that application in Aja now?
We are thinking to do improvisation, and so that actually we are thinking to implement some tests so that everyone can participate in that, and everyone can collaborate. The main thing is it is useful for collaboration
Within the organization.
and they can improve their technical skills, and it will be in a fun way. Not like directly take one test, not like that. People will enjoy while exploring that website, web application.
Good, Rajendra. So I'm really happy and I appreciate and I'm very proud of you that you being a MBA HR non-IT guy, having done business for a couple of years, your family business for a couple of years, deciding to join in IT industry, joining in Agile Coding Tutor kind of platform, and not only learning the skills, whether it is technical or communication skills, not only improving that, but you have come up with your own idea to develop an application is certainly an example to a lot of people who wanted to really grow in the industry.
Thank you, sir.
And I think you should be the example for so many people. Guys, you're seeing, right? So a person who really wanted to grow, ఒక వ్యక్తి నిజంగా ఎదగాలి అనుకుంటే, ఒక వ్యక్తి నిజంగా సాధించాలి అనుకుంటే, వాళ్ళ మీద వీళ్ళ మీద బ్లేమ్ చేయకుండా, అటువైపు ఇటువైపు నాలుగు దిక్కులు చూడకుండా, తనను తానుగా లోపల చూసుకొని మదించుకొని తనకు వచ్చిన ఐడియాస్ ద్వారా ఒక రియల్ టైమ్ అప్లికేషన్ చేసి ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ తెచ్చుకొని ఐటీ ఇండస్ట్రీలో ఎలా గ్రో అవ్వచ్చు అన్నదానికి Rajendra is the best example, and I'm really proud of you, Rajendra. And guys, this is what Agile Coding Tutor as a platform can really contribute to the people who wanted to get into IT industry. And thank you so much for watching, and we'll come back with one more person next week. Thank you so much. Thank you, Rajendra.
Thank you.